This vegan gluten-free recipe is yeast-free and sugar-free. 60% grains, 30% oats, and this is the result. Baking bread has never been easier. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to make this delicious and healthy loaf. If you like my recipe, subscribe, write a comment and like. Feel free to share my video on social media. Thank you. All the ingredients I show you now you will find in the description box below the video. This recipe is really easy, but for not missing any important step, please make sure you watch this video until the end.